In this video, let us see how to convert non-terminating recurring decimals to P by Q form. Let us take some examples and see. 0.3 bar, 0.3 bar. That means 0.3333 is getting repeated. How can we convert this into P by Q form? We want it to convert it into P by Q form. How do we convert? So first, let us say let 0.3 bar is equal to x. Let the given recurring decimal be x. Let 0.3 bar be x. So x here is 0.333. It's getting repeated. When there is one digit getting repeated, take a multiplication of 10x. Take a 10x, 10 times of x. So we get 3.333 getting repeated like this. Now if we subtract x value here, 0.333, the repeating portion gets cancelled out. It becomes 0 here. 3 minus 3 throughout this decimal part is getting 0, and we remain with 3 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. From on left side, 10x minus x is 9x. So we get x is equal to 3 by 9. This is equal to 1 by 3. So we are given with 0.3 bar. We have got 1 by 3. So to convert a non-terminating recurring decimal to P by Q form, let us consider it as x based on the digits in the recurring portion in the period. Multiply, take 10 times or 10 power times of x and subtract x value from this. We are going to get x value as in P by Q form, x value in P by Q form. So let us see one more example. 0.6 bar. This means it is 0.666 getting repeated. Let 0.6 bar be x. Then x is equal to 0.000, etc. getting repeated. So here we have only 6 getting repeated, only one digit is getting repeated. So take 10x. 10x is equal to dot, the decimal point moves here. So this is 6.666 repeated. Subtract x from this. X is equal to 0.666. To subtract it. So we get 9x is equal to, this decimal portion becomes 0. 6 minus 0 is 6 here. So x is equal to 6 by 9. This is 2 by 3. So one more example with a different periodicity. 0.12 bar. Here the periodicity is 1. 2 decimals are getting repeated. This is 0.12 1 2 1 2 getting repeated like this. So let 0.12 bar be x. That means x is equal to 0.121212 getting repeated. So here two decimals are getting repeated. So we have to multiply x by 2 power 10 power 2. That is 100. The 100x or 10 power x is equal to, so by multiplying by 100, the decimal point goes here. This becomes 12.1212 repeated. The x here is 0.121212. Subtracting, we get 99x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 99. Cancelling out 3 from numerator and denominator, we get 4 by 33. Another one, say 0.07 bar. That means 0.07777 getting repeated like this. 7 is getting repeated. Then how do we convert this into P by Q form? Let 0.07 bar be x. So x is equal to 0.0777 like this. So here also the periodicity is 1. Only 7 is getting repeated. So we have to take 10x. 10x is equal to 0.777. It is repeated like this. Now subtract x here. X is equal to 0.0777, etc. Subtracting, left side we get 9x. So 9x is equal to, so here it becomes 0. So here also zeros. 0, 0, 7 minus 7, 0. Here 7 minus 0 is there. So we get 7 and 0.0. So what do we get? 9x is equal to 0.7. So x is equal to 0.7 by 9. While writing in Q by P by Q form, P and Q should be integers. So multiply numerator by 10 to get 7. 0.7 by 9 into 10 by 10. So we get 7 by 90.